Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Mango network token. Now before we start the video, let's say my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the website, Mango network MGO is a multi-virtual machine, multi-VM layer 1 blockchain designed to enable interoperability and scalable decentralized applications. Purpose: it aims to solve blockchain fragmentation by allowing different virtual machines and ecosystems to interoperate seamlessly. Technology: its core innovation is to multi-VM architecture, which supports the execution of smart contracts from various blockchain environments on a single chain. Ecosystem: the network focuses on providing infrastructure for decentralized finance and other DApps, emphasizing scalability and developer flexibility. Mango network token total supply is 10 billion and circulating supply is around 1.6 billion MGO token. MGO token is listed on Binance Alpha, Bitget, KuCoin and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 80% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.